Today we are going to show you the complete manufacturing and can packing process of sweets like Rasgulla and Gulab Jamun using a fully automatic production line. The first step is the automatic ball making process. In this machine, prepared chenna or sweet mixture is fed into the system and the machine automatically forms perfectly shaped ball. The machine can produce different shapes according to your requirement. After the balls are formed, they are transferred to the cooking section. After cooking, the sweets are transferred into sugar syrup. During this process, the sweets absorb the syrup properly.
Now the can packing process begins. First, empty cans are passed through a sterilization unit where they are cleaned and treated to remove impurities and reduce microbial contamination before filling. After sterilization, the cans move to the filling section. Here, sweets and syrup are manually filled into the cans. Next, the filled cans are transferred to the sealing machine. Here, the cans are completely sealed to make them airtight and protect the product for long-term storage. The sealing process can be carried out through both manual and automatic methods, depending on the production requirements. After sealing, the hot cans pass through the cooling tunnel. This process gradually reduces the temperature of the cans and prepares them for the next stage. After cooling, the cans enter the drying system. Here, the moisture and water droplets on the outer surface of the cans are completely removed, making them clean and ready for packaging. And finally, after completing the fully automatic manufacturing and packing process, the high-quality canned sweet product is ready to be supplied to the market.